Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually going to be an Hermes bag that I got from Japan, and you guys know that I love to shop from Japan. So I have a new platform that I want to introduce to you guys, another way that you can actually shop from Japan, which I highly recommend. But before I dive into today's video, if you love luxury, if you love fashion, if you love shopping, all that sort of jazz, and you aren't subscribed to my channel, then I would love if you would hit that subscribe button below, and also the bells can be notified when I upload new videos. I tend to upload every weekend, and then I might occasionally have a midweek upload as well. So this video is actually in collaboration with a Japanese shopping platform called ZenPlus. As I said at the beginning of this video, I do really love shopping from Japan. However, it does have its constraints and it can sometimes be a bit difficult when it comes to language barriers. Also with the fact that when I was shopping from Japan, I always had to get my items typically sent within Japan and then forwarded on to Australia. And that is not the easiest process. It is not streamlined by any means. So I'm really thrilled to be working with this company today. So zenplus.jp is the website. I'm going to leave the details on the screen. I'm going to leave all the details down below in the description bar, but I'm going to run you through how this shopping platform works and why I highly recommend it for buying pre-loved luxury goods, new luxury goods. It's, sometimes you'll find items on there that are brand new, as a matter of fact, but then there's also toys, hobbies, but I'm going to be particularly focusing on buying pre-loved luxury on this platform. Before I reveal to you the bag that I picked out from ZenPlus, I just want to talk to you about why this platform is actually one to consider when it comes to buying from Japan. Now, you already know that one of the big reasons that I actually buy from Japan is because it's far cheaper to get pre-loved luxury goods in Japan. So there is quite an amount of luxury goods that is bought and sold in Japan. It's quite a frequent turnover, and that is why you would tend to see a lot of fantastic deals in Japan of pre-loved luxury goods. Quite typically in Japan, when people want to rehome their luxury goods, they will go and take it to a consignment store. There are so many consignment stores over there that it is just crazy. But the benefit of that is that you can just get some great deals because there are so many luxury goods there. There are so many consignment stores, so they're competing for price. And how that actually all can come together is with this platform, ZenPlus. So now I can actually tell you that there's an easy way for you to buy from Japan. So this platform actually brings to you more than 3,000 Japanese consignment stores. There is at least 5 million different products on their website. So if you are looking for a pre-loved luxury good, this would be the place that you should go and have a look for the best price, because very likely you're going to find the best price in the Japanese market anyway. So you've got an array of ways that you can actually search. You can search particularly by brand and then breaking it down into like handbags, shoes, accessories and whatnot. Or you can specifically go to the search bar and type in exactly what you are looking for. So if you are looking for an Hermes Birkin, you will go ahead and type in Hermes Birkin. If you are looking for the Louis Vuitton pochette, you will go ahead and type Louis Vuitton pochette. So if you're looking for something very specific, you can go ahead and just use that search bar function. However, I must say that I really wanted to see what this website had to offer. So it took me probably over a week, maybe about 2 weeks, for me to actually decide on what item I wanted to get. And in the meantime, some of the items I actually liked had sold out. So, I probably should have worked a little bit faster, but there was just so much on there that I really wanted to look at the website in detail. So I went through the filters of like searching by brand, and I went through all the pages of like Fendi bags, Dior bags, Chanel bags, that sort of thing, all under like a particular price point, because I was shopping for a particular price point with this bag. So yeah, I trawled through not even all the website, like probably a fraction of the website, and there is just so much on there and the deals are amazing. Now let me just show you the bag that I picked out before I go into more detail about how the website kind of works with shipping and whatnot, just because I don't want to be too mean and make you wait all too long to see what bag I chose. Okay, so it is an Hermes bag, but technically it's kind of not like a handbag. However, this bag is pretty commonly just used as a handbag. People like to use it as that. And then I also have another way that you can actually convert it into like a proper shoulder bag. Like I said, most of the time when it comes to shopping from Japan, you're going to find a lot of pre-loved goods on there. There is sometimes new items, but in this case, I did get this one pre-loved. However, this particular item sells for over the retail price. It's pretty popular. It's actually hard to get, which is kind of, the way that it is with Hermes, right? Yeah, so it's a hard to get item. It tends to sell over the retail price anyway. So, it was in line with what I expect to sort of pay for this item. So I got the Hermes Bride a Brac toiletry case. This is actually the GM size, so this is, you know, the higher price of the two. They've got a PM and then a GM. Now this bag is actually really popular. I think that if I was to go for like a different color, maybe like an orange or something, I probably would have been able to get it for a little bit less, but because I wanted it to be a neutral, something that was like a wearable kind of color, just in case it didn't work out for me as well. I know that if I needed to rehome this, someone is more likely to want a neutral bag than say like a bright orange or a bright red or something like that. So the price was in line to what I would expect to pay. Now let me give you a really quick run through of this bag. So if you are just using it as a toiletry bag, you can undo it like this, and then you open it up as so, and you pop your items in there, and there's plenty of space. There's some couple compartments just on the back here and then on the side. And then this one is, because it's a toiletry bag, it just has the Hermes tag on it, you know, no kind of like artisan stamp, date code, that kind of situation, just so you know. You do still get the Hermes engraving on that zipper pull there. And then on the snap buttons as well, you get the engraving as well, which is a clou de celly, or however you say it. And then that's how the back looks. Now this is a Preloved bag, so there's a little bit of like corner wear on it, nothing all too bad. Very decent sized bag. I have absolutely no doubt that that's going to fit drink bottle, mini pochette, card holder, keys, an umbrella, some food, a phone, an iPad mini. Like, this is going to fit a lot of stuff. That's why I did like the GM. And no matter what, you still got that lunchbox shape anyway, so it doesn't really look all too noticeable that it's a bigger bag. Bit like, you know, like a Speedy 25 kind of esque looking bag. Speaking of, there is a lot of Louis Vuitton items on ZenPlus platform, because they do partner with so many consignment stores, and Louis Vuitton is like one of the most popular brands in Japan. So if you are looking for Louis Vuitton, I highly recommend definitely on this platform as well. You're going to get some great deals. Now let me show you as well how you can actually convert this bag to a shoulder bag, in case you are thinking, oh well, this is not that great, because all you can do is hold it like this or like this, that's it. But I do have another way that you can actually use this bag, and that's why I picked it up. So I have this little set here, and I'm going to leave this link down below. This is called a bric-a-brac conversion kit, or some people call it like a lunchbox conversion kit, because this is kind of like called like the lunchbox bag. And then I have a strap as well, but this strap is separate, so I'm going to list these separately. This set and then this strap will be linked down below in the description bar. So how you actually attach this, you have this part here, which has got like a D-ring on it, and it goes over the snap here. That snap button that's actually on the attachment clips in to the bric-a-brac, and that's how it stays put. So now you have the ability to attach a strap there. And then on this side, what you want to do is actually put this buckle through here. All right, and you want to make sure this tab is on the outside. Close up the bag with its natural kind of snap button here. This now allows you to attach a strap. And the reason that you have to have this tab on the outside is because when you clip in the strap, it holds it in place. And if you don't do it this way, it doesn't look right. Like your clip's going to be sitting on like a square buckle, and it looks awkward. But like this actually locks it into place. So now that strap will always stay, well, that clip will always stay in that position when you have the tab on the outside. That's the whole reason why the tab is supposed to be on the outside. And then I can clip it in on the other D-ring. So now you have an actual shoulder bag. And then if you've got a longer strap, you can make it crossbody. But because this is a bigger size bag, I don't think it actually suits crossbody. I think actually this would be great for a male though. But if you've got the PM size, which is smaller than this, then definitely if you're a female, you can do crossbody or shoulder bag. But don't let me tell you what to do. You do whatever you feel most comfortable with. But just for me, I feel like it's only going to look right as a short carry shoulder bag, or as like a top handle sort of bag. So yeah, that's another way that you can actually convert this Hermes bric-a-brac bag into an actual functional handbag. And then you've got that H embroidery on the front, so it's a bit like, you know, Evelyn vibes. So yeah, that's that bag. And now I want to continue to talk to you about shopping on the ZenPlus platform, because I'm sure that you guys are going to have questions otherwise. So I want to try and run you through it as clearly as possible. So how the platform works is that when you add it to checkout, you're going to be able to select different shipping options. Now, I chose the Express, which is EMS. That's the Airmail Express service. That's what I prefer when it comes to like getting it shipped from Japan. If it's coming straight from Japan to Australia, that's how I tend to usually go with. I got the bag in about, oh gosh, it took about 7 business days at the very most. So it was like a week's delivery. It was super duper quick. When you actually are at the checkout point, you can pick to pay with your credit card, debit card, so that's like your MasterCard, Visa card, that kind of thing, or you can choose to pay with PayPal. So whichever Japanese consignment store your item is coming from, it will then be sent to the ZenPlus warehouse for it to be checked over for its condition, to make sure it's as advertised, to make sure it's also authentic. However, I can say that in my experience is that those Japanese consignment stores that the products are coming from do have very rigorous authenticity check processes, and then once it goes through all its checks and it passes, it will then be sent out to you via the shipping method that you chose. So it is a very straightforward, simple process. The ZenPlus team is actually multilingual, so you don't have to speak to them in Japanese. You can speak to them, you know, in your language or in English, and they'll be able to communicate back to you. Also as well, there is a feature on their website that if you want to send a message to the store that's selling the particular item that you're looking at, you can type in your message, whatever you want to ask, and the ZenPlus team will actually pass on that message to the store in Japanese and then get that response for you. So there is a lot of customer service support in this process. You can reach out to them as well if you have any questions, anything further that you want to know that I haven't outlined in this video. They have a very great team, and I do have some great news for you too, that I do have a coupon code that's going to get you 1,000 Japanese yen off your order. So that code is ZenPurse23. This code is going to be valid for about 1 month from the date of this video, so just bear that in mind. But I do know that if you happen to miss out on this coupon code, they do have a coupon code for new users as well, but I think it's only around about 300 Japanese yen. So that is it for this video. Don't forget to open up the description bar so you can see everything linked down below, including the link to shop the zenplus.jp website and that coupon code. And then I'm also going to have linked this little Brighter Brack attachment and then the strap link as well, in case you're interested in, you know, doing this conversion for yourself too. But yeah, that is it. Thanks guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.